Morning. Welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you haven't been here before, welcome. We're going to be doing a little bit of driveway repair today. We're going to take out the old Kubota up on top and got myself some gravel. We're going to be filling in a lot of this area back here, and we've had some damage over here from a big rainstorm we had. Cue the video. There goes my road. There's the hail we got. So, as you can see, we've had some damage. So we're going to be, got this triaxle of granular A. And as you can see right here, we had some washout from that rain. So let's go grab the tractor, put some air in that tire that's always flat. Let's start moving this stuff because he blocked the road. Yeah, blocked the road. Can't get that out of there. Stuck. There we go, we got her all packed, nice and tight. I used the world's most expensive consumer packer that you can use for this. It's a 2021 Encore GX. That's my wife's new wheels. Well, I got more than enough material to finish the washout that's over there, so I'm going to add some material right here and on the other side of this random concrete pad. So I stop hitting this with my blade in the winter because snow's coming in a few months, and might as well fix this little trail up. I'll throw a few loads in here and take it from there. check it out. All finished. Took the whole day, but we got the main driveway done. Nice and graded. Looks really sharp. That's one. We got this driveway done, or this little hill that goes up to the portable shed where I put the tractor away. That's two. We got this driveway done. That's the main driveway all the way from the entrance over there all the way down. Not all fresh gravel, but we went ahead and we graded it, and I put some fresh gravel up on the side, so that's all done. That's three. Next to the building right here, we got all this done in here. Nice, level, graded. That's four. Four. And last but not least, I ran out of material, but we got most of the hill done. You can see the washout that was right here. That's all gone now. And I was able to get down probably 3/4 of the way, probably that. Nice and level. And hope you guys enjoyed that. I mean, I had fun doing it. It was a good day. I don't know if watching somebody lay gravel and fix a driveway is any fun, but I like watching it. So thank you very much for coming along and following me on this little hot plus 29C plus humidity day. Really, really warm. Really appreciate you guys. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this. If you want to see more tractor stuff too, let me know. You know. Oh, and by the way, the Avalanche works beautifully after all that work. So thanks again, guys, and we'll talk to you guys next time.